Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying Python 3. 10 or later is installed and added to path so commands work. Next, pick an editor that fits your workflow. Once chosen, open your project folder. Create a virtual environment immediately to isolate dependencies and activate it so packages install locally. Make an initial file main. Py and write a simple print statement to confirm the runtime. This first test proves your setup and gives immediate feedback before you add complexity. You now build the program structure. Separate modules, a package directory, and a tests folder list libraries and requirements. TXT. Implement core functions with clear names, include docstrings and optional type hints to catch errors early. Once a function is ready, write a unit test and run PyTest. This keeps momentum and prevents regressions. Make small commits in Git describing each logical change and run the program iteratively, fixing errors as they appear to keep the codebase stable. You finish by refactoring for clarity, adding logging to trace runtime behavior, and optimizing any bottlenecks you identified. Prepare deployment. Build a wheel, create a Docker image, or set up a serverless function and verify environment variables and secrets. Run integration tests and smoke tests before release. If something breaks, check the virtual environment, confirm dependency versions match requirements, and read the traceback from top to bottom. Fixing the root error prevents repeat failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.